Hello traders, this is Sherry from Sherry's Trading Club. Uh, it's it's 8:30 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, and we are on IQ option platform. We'll be trading on binary, and we'll try to place some good trades. This is my first trade. I can see that it's a buyer's area here. That's why I have placed for higher option, right? Let's see. This is our first trade. However, the next level is here, right? So market may break out the level, but this candle is so exhausted, so I'm expecting that buyers will enter from this point, right? So let's see if we are winning this trade or not. Okay, so I'm expecting another buyer's momentum, right? And our entry point is really good, so I'm expecting another buyer's candle, because we can see it's a hammer at the level, right? It shows a reversal after this seller's momentum, so buyers will penetrate like in the previous history. Buyers went up to this level, right? So there are chances that market will give more penetration if we have enough time, right? Because we are running short of time. So let's see. Okay, we have lost this trade. No worries, it happens. So whenever you lose it, you need to change the chart and take the, okay, I can see that it's a seller's momentum. Major trend is sellers. We can trade with sellers again here, right? Because it's a level. Next level is here, right? So if it is rejected again and again, we will place our trade with marginal safety, but once it crosses it, okay, I have placed my trade here for lower option at this point because it's a level here and it will be rejected, right? So we will be winning this trade. Okay, okay, so sellers are so strong at that level, because you see this previous candle and this previous candle shows that sellers are very high at this point, right? So always be patient, don't worry, don't hurry. If you even lose it, no worries. After all, you're trading in a live market. Always there are chances, some fluctuations, some fluctuations are always there, which may end up losing your money. But if your winning percentage is good, you will not regret it, right? Okay, so I can see this gap, right? Whenever you see this kind of gap, okay, you should avoid trading. But as I'm recording this session right now, I will just try to place some good trades. Market penetration is downward, so always I will try to go with it down, but will avoid to trade at the levels. It's a reversal trade, right? So I will try to trade for reversal point. Okay, I should have placed my trade here, but it was a fast momentum, so I couldn't catch up. Let's check any other pair. Can you see this? This is a level, and from the sellers again enter. But I can see it's a buyer's area here. Market is penetrating downward. Okay, it's a very strong candle, right? After this strong candle, there are always chances for the reversals. So after this, once this candle is over, I will place my trade for a higher option again. Okay. So you should always be patient. The per trade amount should not be more than at least more than 10% of your total account, right? So you should always place your trade. Even if you lose it, you should not be worried about it. Don't blindly trade, right? And if you even lose it, no worries, we will again recover this amount. Okay, I have placed my trade here for lower option again because it's a really good momentum from sellers. So market will penetrate after this inverted hammer. Market will penetrate again and we will recover our loss. So you should always go with 1x, means if you lose it, go with a double amount so that you can recover that amount. But analysis should be there, right? Because I saw that the level was here, right? And okay, so I saw that level was here, but it got rejected from this point. So but the strong buyer's level is here, right? So went with the momentum. After this inverted hammer, it's a confirmation for me. Okay, a lot of levels, and which basically creates trouble for me. Let's just check the pattern. You see, after one candle there are two green candles, one healthy candle, at least one candle, one then again green candle. So I am expecting again buyer's momentum from this point. See, it's basically following the pattern, right? I again placed my trade because I genuinely feel that, see, one candle and two green candles, one red candle, one green candle, one red candle, three green candles, one red candles, two green candles. So at least one candle is important, and buyers, after one healthy seller's candle, there is always buyer's entry. So that's why I have placed my trade here. Let's see, we are winning it or losing it. Okay, we are winning this trade. Okay, so I will not place my trade again because there may be 2 or 3 candles, we never know, right? But it's a level here, right? But I can see it's a buyer's point here as well, so buyers may get support from this point. We may place our trade here for sellers, right? Because there is a lot of rejection point from this point. So till then we can just check any other market. Okay, the momentum is downward. If we see, sellers are so strong at this point, and it's a level again. Hammer is in the previous, doesn't allow me to go with the sellers, so I will wait for the market, because these hammers at this point shows that buyers are strong, right? But little bit risky, so I'm not going with the buyers here because I can see rejection from this. Okay, so I will place my trade here for sellers once market reaches here. Okay, it's rejected. We can go with the 50% of the rejection, but it's a buyer's momentum from this point, so it will be again covered and maybe buyers may go upward. We can place our trade for buyers once it reaches here at least. Okay, I have placed my trade for higher option again. Again higher option, right? Because market will penetrate upward, and I can see this buyers area, these hammers, and the next level is here, so market will penetrate upward, and our entry point is not that good, but let's see what our luck plays. I strongly believe that buyers will enter again. Okay, so next level is here. From this point there may be reversal, but okay, so strong buyers entered and we are winning this trade again. Okay, so my first trade is this is based on the trend line, the buyer's momentum, right? Second trade I lost it. I think I misjudged it, because what was mistake was that I should have wait till market reaches here, and the trend line was here, and so I started analyzing that market will go upward, but again sellers entered from this point, right? Why? Because I can see this is a strong level, right? And that's why market went again down from this point. So that was mistake, no issues. We again then recover with this loss by placing our trade here. You see, from this point market got rejected and I won this trade. After this we played a double entry because of this inverted hammer. Although my entry point is not that good here, I should have placed my trade here, but no worries, it's a good entry, good trade, but not that good entry. So we need to work on the entry points. Sometimes due to fast momentum we may have this entry problem. However, we can always work on that. Okay, so we can see from this point a really good buyer's momentum, and it was a trend line. So I always ask my people, my students, that you should always mark trend lines. Trend line plays really major role, as you know, because at this trend line is the support area from where market got, sellers get rejections, right, and buyers get support from this point, and same is the case here. buyers are trying to break this level, but they are getting rejection, right? So we will see if they are getting rejection or not. So our trade is good, right? Because entry point is good and it's logical trading. This was little risky because there were so many rejections, but I saw that these are the hammers which are giving support at this point, so I placed my trade here with the buyers, and next level was here. So I speculated that the buyers will enter again because it's a momentum from this point, and this is also this also shows the buyers pressure, because if there was sellers at this point, so any one candle should be red, but all are green. So this is a signal that market will penetrate more with the buyers. So I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades, and I have won 5 trades, so this is something good. um, Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my trading, um, like, share and subscribe. And also, if you want to learn from me, you need to contact me. I will provide my Telegram ID as well. Thank you. You just need to check the description. Bye bye.